In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit WooCommerce billing fields. Whether you're running a small shop online or managing a vast e-commerce empire, having precise and customized billing fields can significantly influence both your workflow and customer experience. Fortunately, customizing these fields to fit your needs is simpler than it might seem at first glance, especially if you're working within WooCommerce on WordPress. Our journey begins by logging into the backend of your WordPress site. This is your command center where the magic of customization begins. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard, a place which may already feel quite familiar to you. It's here where you'll start the process of enhancing your WooCommerce billing fields. Next, you'll be adding a new plugin. This is the tool that will empower you to make the necessary customizations. In the WordPress ecosystem, plugins add new features and capabilities to your site, and in this case, facilitate the editing of billing fields. To do this, hover over or click on the Plugins menu, then select Add New. This action will lead you to a repository filled with potential plugins for all your needs. At this point, you might wonder how to find the needle in the haystack, that perfect plugin among thousands. You'll be using the search function. Type checkout field into the search bar. This specific term is your golden ticket, guiding you directly to the plugins that will allow you to edit WooCommerce billing fields seamlessly. After hitting enter or clicking the search icon, you'll see a variety of plugins appear. But not all plugins are created equal. Your goal is to find one that's reliable and suits your specific needs. Once you've made your choice, it's time to install the plugin. Simply click on Install Now next to the plugin that you've decided will best serve your purposes. It's essential to choose wisely, as this plugin will be a critical tool in customizing your checkout process. Installation is just the first part though. After the installation completes, a new button will appear in place of the install button, prompting you to activate the plugin. Click Activate. Remember, a plugin needs to be activated to work on your site. Think of it like flipping on a switch to illuminate a room. Without activation, the plugin remains in the dark, unused. Once activated, you'll need to navigate to the settings of your newly installed plugin. This step often varies slightly depending on the plugin, but generally you'll find a settings link directly under the plugin name in your installed plugins list, or integrated into the WooCommerce settings area. Here you enter the configuration phase, where you mold the plugin's features to fit your needs precisely. Your prime destination within these settings is the checkout form section. It's here that the real customization begins, allowing you to edit, add, or remove fields that your customers interact with during checkout. The goal is to streamline the checkout process, making it as efficient and pleasant as possible for your customers, while also ensuring you collect all the necessary information. Customizing these fields might involve making some fields mandatory, adding tooltips for clarity, or even removing unnecessary ones to simplify the process. Every adjustment you make should consider the overall customer experience and the flow of information vital for your operations. While it might initially seem daunting to delve into customizing WooCommerce billing fields, plugin options within WordPress offer a user-friendly gateway into this customization process. Embrace the trial period with your selected plugin to explore all the features it offers, ensuring you tweak and tailor everything until it fits your vision perfectly. Remember, the goal is not just to personalize the billing fields, but to enhance the shopping experience on your site, making it as smooth and as enjoyable as possible for your customers. With your newly customized billing fields, you're one step closer to achieving that goal, setting the stage for increased customer satisfaction and ultimately a flourishing online business. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to edit WooCommerce billing fields directly from your WordPress dashboard. It's amazing what a significant impact such a seemingly small adjustment can have on your e-commerce site. As always, feel free to revisit any of the steps we've covered today, and don't hesitate to experiment with different plugins and settings to find what works best for your specific needs. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial, and here's to your continued success in the e-commerce world.